I've got the Allen 10-wheeler running on air now. Right now, for showing you what I'm doing, I got it set up in forward gear and I got it clamped so that the forward reverse lever doesn't move. I pretty much used the Allen method of using a trammel and scribing to get forward and the full forward dead center and the full back dead center set up. That's how I did that. The other thing is I started out on the forward eccentric. You can see that black dot's the high point on the eccentric, and that is set originally about 15 degrees forward, and then the reverse eccentric, which you can't see very well now. The reverse eccentric's the one with the offset links at the bottom, but of course it's set in forward now, so you can see the link block is lined up with the forward eccentric on the link. So that'll give you an idea of position. When I set up to adjust the valves, I decided to make this coupling nut, it's 1/4 on this end to match the valve, and that's a right-hand thread, and this is a left-hand thread, 1032 left-hand, so it's pretty easy to adjust the position of the valve. You can really get it set as perfectly as you choose to. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open the valve here, running on about 12 or 15 psi is what the pressure is right now. You see it's smooth. By the way, I have, it's hard to see, but underneath the axle boxes, there's a 1/2 inch block under the axle boxes so everything doesn't sag, and that you can keep the coupling rods lined up. But anyway, you can see the valve motion, hear it. Pretty peaceful. A lot of lubrication points on this to keep everything nice and smooth. I plan to run it in a good bit on air before I start working on anything else, just so that you can kind of reduce the friction on everything of a brand new build. But anyway, that front eccentric will be for the axle pump. The axle pump goes through that hole in the saddle, and the discharge lines are on the front of the saddle. I got this thing running on August 22nd of 2022. Pleased with the performance of it now. I give a little more air pressure. You want to see it speed up a little bit. So that's it. Turned it off and back on. The snifter valve stuck open on the steam chest. Anyway, that's what I'm going to show you for now. Allen 10-wheeler running on air.